Now we're going to focus on using a free server in our case to publish our files to the web. Now for our case here, for our demonstration purposes, we're using BraveNet, so bravenet.com, and BraveNet supplies us with a free server space that we can use to demonstrate uploading a live or a flash file to the web. Now, in our case, since it's a free server, we're going to utilize BraveNet's address, so we're going to get something to the effect that mrkelly.bravenet.com, which is essentially going to be our address. If you were to upgrade your BraveNet account, you can utilize your own domain, and you can find a domain that's suitable for yourself, such as whois.net, which allows you to search your domain and get some information about the registrant if that exists, and that's going to allow you to kind of personalize your site just a little bit. So so in our case, we're going to utilize BraveNet here, and since I already created an account, I'm going to go to FTP hosting, and this does not allow me to do a full STP transfer inside of my account. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to go ahead and upload them individually. So I've got a askmrkelly.bravehost.com, and that's the site that I'm going to use. I'm going to select on that, and in here that's going to bring me to my file manager, and it's also going to bring me to web templates and other information that I want. Now, what I want to do is manage the files that I have on this server, so I'm going to select File Manager, and I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and you can already see that I've uploaded the necessary files in order to display my movie. Now, what I've done is I've got some external files that we've set up in previous movies, such as the news text here and the picture scroll .swf. So you want to make sure not only do you upload your index files, which we published out in an earlier movie, their .html and your .swif, but you also want to make sure that you upload any external content as well. I've got the skin for my FLV file, and I also have the caption for my XML file. In FLV file, this free server here, the BraveNet, does not allow us to upload an FLV, so we're unable to really use this use the video component that we had in our movie, but it does allow us to bring in some of the other elements that we've set up. It also sets a display link down here at the bottom, but anytime we want to upload our files, we click on Upload, and we've got a dialog box here. We would choose our file location, and inside my dialog box here, I've got all those files that I essentially wanted to upload. I've got the captions files here. I do not need to upload my FLA, but I would need to upload the SWIFT file and the HTML file, the index files here, the news text, and the picture scroll SWF. And I also have a Swift object file, JavaScript file I'd want to upload, and the skin to the video. So all of those go into play, and I would upload those, and I've got this address here that's set up. So when I type in mrkelly.bravehost.com, I essentially going to get some free ads here, since this is a free server, but we can delete those. And I actually want to do Ask Mr. Kelly, because that's the address that I had, and close out of the ads that are going to pop up. We got some ads here, and we have some ads down here at the bottom. But essentially, this is our content here. So we have our victim content, so we have all our external text elements there. We have the message, we have the letter button that's set up for ourselves. So there in turn is our Flash movie, and you can send this address. This is our URL, our full web address here, and this is now live on the internet. So you can copy and paste this address into an email, put it out on your Facebook page, wherever, your Twitter page, and people will be able to access that particular file through this web address, or this project through your web address. And that's how you would get it online via a free server.